Friends, in this video we will discuss how to find the square root of a complex number. So let us take a complex number. Let z is equal to x plus iy be a complex number. We have to find the square root of this complex number. So square root of a complex number is also a complex number. So let square root of x plus iy be a plus ib. Let the square root of x plus iy complex number be a plus ib. Then we can write it square root of x plus iy is equal to a plus ib. Now squaring on both the sides. Squaring on both the sides. So while we will take the square, left side we will write x plus iy. Right side a plus ib whole square. X plus iy is equal to, use a plus b whole square identity. So we will write a square plus ib whole square plus 2ab. So 2 into a into ib, 2iab. A square plus I square b square plus 2iab. We know that I square value is minus 1. So we can write here a square minus b square plus 2iab. So x plus iy is equal to a square minus b square plus 2iab, since I square is equal to minus 1. Now we will equate the real part and imaginary part. So comparing the real part and imaginary part, what we will get? A square minus b square, it will be equal to x. A square minus b square is equal to x. Equation number 1. And compare the imaginary part. Coefficient of I is the imaginary part. So 2ab it will be equal to y. 2ab is equal to y. So in this way we are getting two equations in A and B. Solving these two equations, we will find the value of A and B and then put in this. We will get the square root of x plus iy. From these two equations, we will solve for A and B and we will put here to get the square root. So this is the method how to find the square root of a complex number. We will see it with the help of one question. So see question of exercise 5.5, question number 1. So exercise 5.5. Exercise 5.5, question number 1. To find the square root of minus 7 plus 24i and verify it. So how we will find? We will suppose let the square root of this be a plus ib or x plus iy. So let square root of minus 7 plus 24i is equal to a plus ib. Let square root of minus 7 plus 24i is equal to a plus ib. Squaring on both sides. On squaring, so what we will get? Minus 7 plus 24i is equal to a plus ib whole square. Minus 7 plus 24i is equal to right side a plus ib whole square. Minus 7 plus 24i, use a plus ib whole square, a plus b whole square. So it will be a square minus b square plus 2iab. Region I square value will be minus 1. So a square minus b square plus 2iab. On comparing the real and imaginary part, we will get a square minus b square is equal to minus 7 and 2ab is equal to 24. So what will be AB? AB will be 12. A square minus b square is the real part. So equating the real and imaginary part, a square minus b square is equal to minus 7. 2ab is equal to 24. So AB is equal to 12. Now we will use here one relation. What is a square plus b square whole square? A square plus b square whole square, we can write it a square minus b square whole square plus 4a square b square. You have to learn this relation between a square plus b square whole square and a square minus b square whole square. When we will expand it and simplify, we will get a square plus b square whole square, because it will be a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 minus 2a square b square, and here plus 4a square b square. So after simplification, we will get 2a square b square. So we will get a square plus b square whole square. Put the value of a square minus b square, minus 7 here. So it is minus 7 square plus 4ab square. What is AB? AB is 12. So we can write 12 square. For a square b square, AB is equal to 12. So put AB is equal to 12. So we can write 12 square. It is a square plus b square whole square. A square plus b square whole square minus 7 whole square. It is 49 plus 4 into 12 whole square means 144. So 49 plus multiply it. 4 4 ja 16, 6 1. 4 4 ja 16, 1 17. 4 1 ja 4, 1 5. 576. 9 plus 6 15. 4 1 5 plus 7 12. 625. A square plus b square whole square is equal to 625. So what will be a square plus b square plus minus under root 625. Square root of 625 is 25. Since a square plus b square cannot be negative, sum of the squares of two real numbers cannot be negative. A square plus b square cannot be negative. It means a square plus b square, it will be equal to 25. So therefore, a square plus b square is equal to 25. It is equation number 4. Now we will solve second equation and fourth equation to find a and b. Here a square minus b square is equal to minus 7. A square plus b square is equal to 25. So adding second and fourth. Adding equation second and fourth. Adding adding second and fourth. So a square minus b square is equal to minus 7. It is second. And a square plus b square is equal to 25. When we will add it, plus b square minus b square cancel. A square plus a square 2a square. 25 minus 7, 18. So we can cancel 2 9 ja 18. So a square is equal to 9. What will be a? Plus minus 3. A square 9, so a will be square plus minus square root of 9. Putting a is equal to 3 in third. Putting a is equal to 3 in third, what we will get? B. So 3 into b is equal to 12. 3 4 ja 12. B is equal to 4. Now put a is equal to minus 3 in third. There are two values of a, plus 3 and minus 3. First time put a is equal to 3, then a is equal to minus 3 in third. So minus 3 into b is equal to 12. B will be 12 upon minus 3. So it will be minus 4. So we are getting two values of a and two values of b. If a is 3, b is 4. And if a is minus 3, b is equal to minus 4. So therefore, the square root of minus 7 plus 24 the square root of minus 7 plus 24i, we have taken a plus ib. So put a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 4. So if a is equal to 3, b is equal to 4, then minus 7 plus 24i, it will be 3 plus 4i. A is 3, b is 4. And if a is minus 3, b is minus 4. In that case, minus 7 plus 24i square root minus 3 plus 4, minus 3 minus 4i, b is minus 4. If we take minus sign common, we will get 3 plus 4i. So one square, we will get two square roots. So one square root is 3 plus 4i, another square root is minus in bracket 3 plus 4i. So combining both, we can write minus 7 plus 24i, it is plus minus in bracket 3 plus 4i. This is plus sign, here minus sign. Plus minus 3 plus 4i square root of minus 7 plus 24i. So in this way, we can find the square root of a complex number. Here we have to verify it. Verify means our answer is correct or not, we have to check it. So how we can check? If the square root of minus 7 plus 24i is this much, so on squaring plus minus 3 plus 4i, if we get the given complex number, it means our square root is correct. So take the square of this. To verify answer. To verify answer, we will take the square of plus minus 3 plus 4i. If on squaring we are getting the given complex number minus 7 plus 24i, it means the solution is correct. Square root is correct. So square of plus and square of minus, in both the case we will get positive. So we can write it 3 plus 4i whole square. Take the square, 3 square is 9, it is 16i square minus 2ab, 2 into 3 into 4i. I square value is minus 1, so 9 minus 16. 2 3 is 6, 4 is 24, minus 24, it is plus 2ab, a square plus b square plus 2ab. 9 minus 16 minus 7 plus 24i. So squaring the square root, we are getting the given complex number minus 7 plus 25i. It means square root is correct. So it is verified. So I hope that it is clear to you. Now I am taking one more questions from second question, one more part from second question. See question number 2, fifth part. Find the square root of 1 plus 4 root minus 3. 1 plus 4 root minus 3, it can be written 1 plus 4 root 3 I. I is equal to root minus 1. So we can write in terms of I 1 plus 4 root 3 I. We have to find the square root of this. Let square root of 1 plus 4 root 3 I is equal to A plus IB. 1 plus 4 root 3 I square root is A plus IB. Squaring on both sides, 1 plus 4 root 3 I, it will be A plus IB whole square. Squaring on both the sides. 1 plus 4 root 3 I, when we will take the square, we will get A square minus B square plus 2IA B. Now comparing the real and imaginary part, equating the real and imaginary part. So A square minus B square is equal to 1. And what is 2AB? 2AB, imaginary part 2AB is equal to 4 root 3. So what will be AB? We can cancel it. 2 2 ja 4. So 2 root 3. A square minus B square is equal to 1. AB is equal to 2 root 3. Again use the relation A square plus B square whole square is equal to A square minus B square whole square plus 4A square B square. In every question we have to use this relation. A square minus B square is 1. So 1 square plus 4. What is AB? AB is 2 root 3. So here we will write 2 root 3 whole square. 1 square is 1 plus 4. 2 root 3 square. 2 square is 4. Root 3 square is 3. So 4 3 are 12. 1 plus 12 4 are 48. So A square plus B square whole square, 48 plus 149. A square plus B square will be plus minus 7. Square root of 49 with plus minus 7. Since A square plus B square cannot be negative, it is the sum of the squares of two real numbers, it cannot be negative. Therefore, A square plus B square we will take 7. Equation number 4. Now we will solve second and fourth. So adding second and fourth. equation 2 plus 3. A square minus B square is equal to 1. A square plus B square is equal to 7. Plus B square minus B square cancel. A square plus A square 2A square, 7 plus 1 8, 2 4 ja 8. So A square is equal to 4. What will be A? Plus minus 2. A will be plus minus 2. We will put this value of A in equation number 3. So put in A is equal to plus minus 2 in third. If A is equal to 2, so it will be 2B is equal to 2 root 3, 2 cancel, so B is equal to root 3. If A is equal to minus 2, so minus 2B, put here minus 2 into B, minus 2B, 2 root 3, 2 cancel, what will be B? Minus root 3. Now we will put the values of A and B here to find the square root of this. So therefore, square root of 1 plus 4 root 3I, it will be 2 plus root 3I, 2 plus root 3I, or minus 2 minus root 3I. If we take A is equal to 2, B is equal to root 3, so we will write 2 plus root 3I. And if we take A minus 2, B minus root 3, we will write minus 2 minus root 3I. So we can take minus common. It will be 2 plus root 3I. Combining both, we can write 1 plus 4 root 3I square root. It is plus minus 2 plus root 3I. This is plus minus 2 plus root 3I. So procedure is same in every question. I have taken 2 questions here. Now I am going to take the last question, and then I will close the lecture in this video. Remaining question you will do yourself. So see the last question. See question number 4. Find the square root of minus I. Minus I, it is purely imaginary. No real part is here. Real part is 0. So same procedure. Let root minus I is equal to A plus IB. Squaring on both sides, minus I is equal to A plus IB whole square. Minus I, take the square, we will get A square minus B square plus 2I AB. Now equating the real part and imaginary part. So here real part is A square minus B square. But here real part is what? 0. No real part is there. So here real part is 0. So A square minus B square, it will be 0. And imaginary part 2AB. Coefficient of I is imaginary part. So 2AB is equal to coefficient of I is minus 1. So 2AB is equal to minus 1. Use the relation A square plus B square whole square is equal to A square minus B square whole square plus 4A square. A square minus B square 0. 4AB square, we can write 2AB whole square. 2ab value is given -1. Right, -1 whole square. So it is 1. A square plus b square whole square is equal to 1. So what will be a square plus b square? Plus minus 1. Since a square plus b square cannot be negative, a square plus b square cannot be negative. Therefore, a square plus b square is equal to 1. We will take positive value plus. Now we will solve equation number 1 and 3. So adding both 1 plus 3. A square minus b square is equal to 0. And a square plus b square is equal to 1. Add it, this one cancel. 2a square is equal to 1. A square 1 by 2. A will be plus minus 1 by root 2. So value of a is plus minus 1 by root 2. Now we will put this value of a in equation number 2 to find the value of b. Put a is equal to plus minus 1 by root 2 in second equation. So 2ab, firstly take if a is equal to 1 by root 2. So 2 into 1 by root 2, 2 into 1 by root 2 into b is equal to minus 1. What will be b? Cross multiply minus root 2 upon 2. So we can cancel it. Root 2 minus 1 by root 2. So if a is equal to 1 by root 2, b is equal to minus 1 by root 2. Next, if a is equal to minus 1 by root 2, a is equal to plus 1 by root 2. Now take a is equal to minus 1 by root 2. Then from second, 2 into minus 1 by root 2 b. 2 into minus 1 by root 2 b is equal to minus 1. So minus 2b is equal to minus root 2. We can remove the minus sign from both the sides. What will be b? Root 2 upon 2. Cancel it. So value of b is 1 by root 2. So if a is minus 1 by root 2, b is 1 by root 2. We will put this value a and b here to find the square root. So therefore, the square root of minus I, it will be a is 1 by root 2 and b is minus 1 by root 2. So minus 1 by root 2 I. We can take 1 by root 2 common. So it will be 1 minus I. If we take a is equal to minus 1 by root 2 and b is equal to 1 by root 2. So a is equal to minus 1 by root 2 and b is 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 I. Take minus 1 by root 2 common. So here we will get 1 plus will become minus I. So combining both we will write minus square root of minus I. It is with plus sign. This is minus plus minus 1 by root 2 1 minus I. Plus minus 1 by root 2 1 minus I. So we are getting 2 square root in every question. So try to do some questions yourself. If any difficulty you can ask. Okay, thank you class.